And the last topic is birds' splayed legs. Most of the time birds' offspring legs are splayed because of nesting material. So how you can fix it? You don't need legs clip to fix it. Most of the time the clip is not available in markets. So you can tape it with insulation. Like this. But be careful, the insulation tape don't attach with body. Both legs are freely to move. Now put the bird in nest. And check regularly after 2 to 3 days. The legs are on its position so you can remove insulation tape. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.